arts together, friends and family. My name is Miss Meg, and I'm so glad you're with me today celebrating these really cool artifacts that I just found all around my yard. So come check it out with me. We have a seed pod, which is really fascinating. We have some different sorts of berries. We have all sorts of sticks and twigs from different trees around the yard. We have bark. We have moss that was growing on a pine tree. And then Miss Meg found a log with some mushrooms growing on the outside of it, as well as some pine cones. So, the fun thing to do with natural loose materials is that you can't go wrong with anything. So we could build a cabin out of all of these sticks right now. We could identify all of these things. We could rub them all on paper and see what colors they come off on the paper. Really fascinating stuff. But today, what Miss Meg would love for you guys to do with me is we're gonna make a band. So we're gonna start with our seed pods. And let's just start finding a rhythm. What does it sound like? Interesting. And what about our pine cones? And can you speed that rhythm up faster? Wonder what this sounds like when we slide it back and forth. Have to find out. Best part. My cameraman is had a great idea to, if you have these railings, you could see what that sounds like. Great idea. We have bark. And this moss. Let's get a little closer. Is it crinkly? Interesting. And the mushroom on the log. Maybe we'll let this one be our silent piece. So, you can create a whole band out of natural loose parts from outside. You can get your family involved, you can do it yourself, you can play with all these different items, and just enjoy and explore and touch and collect, identify. You are the beholder of all this magic. Have fun and see you soon.